Just to introduce myself, my name is Lalit, and I head digital for Star TV India. We run 32 channels in the country, both English, Hindi as well as regional channels across the country. Digital is a very key part of our business because while digital marketing is one aspect of where we engage with our viewers, but digital also is important for us from an entertainment point of view. As a company, we believe that television is just one screen for content consumption, and there are many other screens that people are now getting used to, and digital becomes such an important part of our lives because more and more you want to have control on the content that you are viewing, and the control comes through these digital devices. So it's a very core for Star TV India. And so I've been with the company for 2 years now. Before that, I worked on the agency side, where I used to head Asia Pacific for an agency called Digitas, one of the largest digital marketing agencies globally. So what I'm going to talk about today is basically, an amalgamation of experience which comes from both being on the agency side of the business to now being on the client side of the business. And my whole target today, at least for the next half hour, is to keep you awake. So I'm going to ask you a lot of questions. Right. Okay. So I personally believe creativity in digital is actually the new form of creativity, and that's why my session is called New Creativity. How many of us agree with this, that it's different than on the traditional way of doing creatives on other mediums? So I see 15 hands, 20 hands. Others don't. Others don't. Okay, cool. I'll show you, a 2004, something that, one of the great creatives guy I know of actually uses as something which is always on his desk on the softboard in front of his table. It's a cover of the Harvard Business Review in August 2004. What do you get out of this cover? I was speaking to somebody about how can we actually cross sell, upsell to all our consumers, and one of the ways to do is basically get maximum share of wallet from the customer, and that's what marketing is all about, right? How do you squeeze the customer, get maximum out of him, get maximum share of wallet from him? That's always been the target. And that continues to be a target for a lot of our traditional marketers. There's a customer, let's go cash hold of him, and how much money can he give us, or how much products can he buy for us? And this is in August 2004, Harvard Business Review front page. Customer has always been the target. You've said, okay, here's the customer. Let's market at them. Let's do a television campaign telling them about how great our product is. Let's do a print campaign telling them how great our product is. Let's send them a DM which talks about how many awesome features our product is. If it's a car, it's a credit card, or any other product. That's how we've always traditionally done marketing. And our creativity also has always been about marketing at the customer. And that's the route we've always taken. And the way we've done it is by doing campaigns for them.